Recording by Thomas Vincent for Busy Bee Plumbing on May 4th, approximately 1:30 p.m. Camera is in existing cleanout inside of cubbyhole and wall of apartment 2117. Evidence on walls and top of pipe. The line is backed up previously on multiple occasions. Line is now clear after 2 hours of jetting. Removed excessive grease blockage. On the top of the pipe, you can now see foam from where the grease was stirred. Pipe is much cleaner here. Line received a lot more activity from the jet. Could not clean as thoroughly on previous section as it was too close to the clean out and could potentially cause damage in the apartment. You can now see water starting to hold in the bottom of the pipe. This is due to a belly in the line. In other words, the line is sagging from 46.5 feet until approximately 56 feet. Pulling camera back to clean lens. Line continues on. Makes a 45-degree turn to the right and down. Continues on to another 45-degree turn and drops into a 6-inch lateral.